We are going to review top 5 best exfoliating soap bars. Let's get started. List number 1. MARLOWE. Number 102 Men's Body Scrub Soap. Out with the bad, in with the good. This glycerin-based super soap scrubs away dryness and dead cells, leaving skin awash in a natural blend of passion flower fruit, green tea and willow bark extracts designed to smooth and refresh. Made in the USA, it's free of parabens and phthalates, plus the product is cruelty-free. Gentle enough to use on your face, you'll want to inhale the subtle scent of agarwood, sandalwood and musk. Best of all, the brand teamed up with Clean the World to give soap to people at risk for hygiene-related illnesses with every MARLOWE item purchased. List number 2. Olive Rocket Pine Tar Soap. It doesn't get more natural than soap that's 100% homemade in the USA with coconut oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, shea butter, activated charcoal, sea salt, pine tar extract, oatmeal and fragrance. Designed specifically for men, it can also be used as hand and beard soap. In addition to exfoliating, the charcoal also allows the soap to detox skin. Handmade soap bar quality engineered for successful men. Luxurious black soap crafted to leave skin feeling soft, smooth, and incredible, the perfect gift for a birthday or Father's Day. The exfoliating and detoxifying soap is blended with charcoal, and is suitable for sensitive skin. A multi-purpose bar. List number 3. Dove Gentle Exfoliating Beauty Bar. This beauty bar contains Dove's famous 1/4 moisturizing cream and exfoliating beads that delicately lift away dead cells that can dull your complexion. You're left with new, fresh skin that's moisturized and healthy. Since this isn't a traditional bar soap, you'll never have to worry about it overstripping skin. Beauty bar for a renewed skin. 1/4 moisturizing cream. Other exfoliating soaps just strip your skin so you're getting rid of everything, including the good stuff. But not this beauty bar. Gentle exfoliating formula contains exfoliating beads and 1/4 moisturizing cream to lift away dull, lifeless surface cells and hydrate new, fresh skin. Exfoliating daily is actually a healthy way to care for your skin. List number 4. Beast Sandpaper Scrub Bar Soap. When natural lava rock is a hero ingredient, you know it has the power to rub away the bad stuff. Organic essential oils deliver an invigorating scent, while Rainforest Alliance certified organic palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil and almond oil round out the ingredients list to leave your skin silky smooth. Another perk, the 100% vegan and cruelty-free soap is made in the USA. 100% natural best bar soap with heightened levels of organic essential oils, uniquely exfoliating lava rock, and crisp beast blue scent. Invigorating at first sniff moisturizing soap with plant-based ingredients like organic palm oil, Rainforest Alliance certified, coconut, olive and almond oils. Invigorating. List number 5. Anthony Exfoliating and Cleansing Bar. Though it's gentle enough for daily use on your face and body, it doesn't mess around when it comes to exfoliating. Jojoba spheres do the heavy lifting to scrub, while cucumber extract suits, essence of grapefruit provides the uplifting scent, and hydration is courtesy of shea butter, squalene and coconut oil. Anthony Exfoliating and Cleansing Bar is essential in your daily routine of cleansing. Jojoba spheres exfoliate. Shea butter, squalene, and coconut oil moisturize. Cucumber extract soothes skin, while essence of grapefruit refreshes senses. Can be used in shaving as well. Fresh.